Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the latest news and updates on your favorite TV shows. In this video, I'm going to talk about Outlander Season 7 Part 2, which is coming soon on Starz. I'm going to introduce you to the new cast members who will join the show, as well as the old favorites who will return. So let's get started. Outlander is a historical drama based on the best-selling novels by Diana Gabaldon. It follows the adventures of Claire Randall, a nurse from the 20th century who travels back in time to the 18th century Scotland, where she meets and falls in love with Jamie Fraser, a Highland warrior. Together, they face many dangers and challenges in different eras and locations, such as France, America, and the Caribbean. Outlander Season 7 Part 2 will continue the story of Claire and Jamie in colonial America, as they prepare for the upcoming American Revolution. They will also deal with some personal issues, such as their relationship with their daughter Brianna and her husband Roger, who have decided to stay in the past with them. But Claire and Jamie are not the only ones who have to face some changes in their lives. There are also some new characters who will join the show, and some old ones who will leave or have a different role. Let's take a look at who they are. First of all, we have Joey Phillips, who will play Dr. Denzel Hunter. He is a Quaker doctor who has been trained in Boston and London. He is a firm believer in liberty, and he is planning to join the Revolutionary Army as a surgeon. He's also the brother of Rachel Hunter, who will be played by Izzy Meikle-Small. She is a modest Quaker woman who has a fiery spirit that attracts the admiration of both William Ransom and young Ian Murray. William Ransom is the secret son of Jamie Fraser and Geneva Dunsany, who was raised by his stepfather, Lord John Grey. He is the 9th Earl of Ellesmere, and he is eager to join the British Army and fight for his country. He will be played by Charles van der Vaart, who replaces Oliver Finnegan from Season 6. Young Ian Murray is Jamie's nephew and a close friend of William. He is a Scottish warrior who has lived among the Mohawk tribe for several years. He has a strong bond with his uncle and Aunt Claire, as well as his cousin Brianna. He will be played by John Bell, who has been part of the show since season. Another character who will have a bigger role in Season 7 Part 2 is Malva Christie, who was introduced in Season 7 Part 1. She is a young woman who works as Claire's apprentice at Fraser's Ridge. She has a keen interest in medicine and science, but she also has a dark side that will cause some trouble for Claire and Jamie. She will be played by Jessica Reynolds. Of course, we can't forget about the main cast members who will reprise their roles in Season 7 Part 2. They are Catriona Balfe as Claire Fraser, Sam Heughan as Jamie Fraser, Sophie Skelton as Brianna Randall Fraser Mackenzie, Richard Rankin as Roger Wakefield Mackenzie, David Barry as Lord John Grey, C. Sarah Domeboy as Fergus Fraser, Lauren Lyle as Marcelie Fraser, Maria Doyle Kennedy as Jocasta Cameron, Colin McFarlane as Ulysses, Tim Downey as Governor Tryon, Ed Spielers as Stephen Bonnet. So that was my introduction to the Outlander Season 7 Part 2 cast. What do you think of these new faces and old favorites? Are you excited to see them on screen? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more Outlander content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!